In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to present and edit your voiceover, then how to add audio files and music, and finally how to edit it in the Canva video editor.
Once you're on your home page, I want you to head over to video. Now you have a plethora of options here. Choose whichever one works best for you. I'm just gonna choose the generic video just for simplicity's sake. Now, for voiceover, there are obviously two components, the visual component and then the aspect of your voice over that visual component. Most likely, if you're doing a voiceover, it's for like a DIY or like a cooking tutorial or something like that. So you might have existing footage, so it makes sense to upload that into Canva. Just go to uploads and hit upload files, or you can choose to upload it with other options like Google Drive, Facebook, or Dropbox. I have my file, my little tutorial on my computer, so I'm hitting upload files and then selecting it. While that is uploading, I'm going to tell you that you can feel free to record your audio file on your phone or, of course, like on your laptop itself. But there is also another option, not associated with Canva, but I think this is really super duper useful. It's called onlinevoicerecorder.com that you can feel free to record your voice and make the audio for your voice recorder. So I'm just making my audio here, testing 1 2 3. I can pause it, I can stop it, I can trim it, which is really super duper fantastic. I can save it, and once I hit save, it will download automatically. So if you chose the online voice recorder route, you can pop it in a Canva by dragging and dropping it. If you have your own audio files, use the first steps of choosing this upload file option. Now that I have my recording, I can easily pull it into here. But let's say you want to use like the literal Canva platform, you have two options. You can click record yourself, or you can go to share. Scroll down, so I'm just gonna minimize this here. Scroll down, go all the way to more, and click present and record. If you don't see that option, make sure you type it in the search bar. Go all the way to go to recording studio, and you can choose your camera if you want to make a voiceover with your camera, but kind of if you're doing a voiceover, most likely you're not using a camera, so select no camera and then hit start recording. So I'm just coming up with something here. Hey, welcome to my cooking tutorial. Welcome. Make sure you leave a comment, like, blah, blah, blah.
Hey, I'm going to kindly ask that you leave a comment down below. Leave a suggestion. What tutorials do you want to see from me? Just let me know.
Like, blah, blah, blah. You can always pause recording and add notes so that if you don't remember what to say, you can glance at your notes and have that as a guide. Afterwards, you click end recording. Now you can copy your link, share it with others, can download it if you're satisfied, or you can save and exit and obviously discard it if you don't like it. I'm going to click save and exit.
Kindly give this video a thumbs up. It helps to motivate me and shows that you are enjoying my content.
I mean, we're back in our editing space. And the thing is, our audio that we just recorded is not in the timeline. This is the audio I pulled from my online voice recorder over here. But if you want the actual audio that you just did with the Canva voice recorder, you have to go to uploads and then drag it and drop it in. So now I actually have two audio files, one on top of the other. If that works for you, you can do that. I'm going to delete my first one and we can play it back here. So I'm just coming up with something here. So you notice that my audio in the uploads is 32 seconds long, but it just played for 5 seconds. Why is that? That's because my video up here is 5 seconds long. So it will only play for the length of your top video. So let me go back and drag my video in here. And now it will be much longer. The same length of the video. The video at top is 24.1 seconds. My audio recording will also be for that length. But what if your audio recording, what if you want to add more, you want to get the full length of your audio recording and your video is a little short? Fret not, I'm going to help you with that. You can simply add another chunk of video. With Canva, you have so many different options. You can go into your elements. You can like find stuff and like drag and drop and be creative with it. And then, you know, just do some stuff. You can add text. And you can really be as creative as you want to be. Now, what I'm going to do is show you how to add music. If you haven't guessed it already, you can upload your own music, drag it and drop it in, or you can go to audio. If you're not seeing audio on your sidebar, you're going to have to go to more and look for audio up here, or find it somewhere here, and you have your audio to the side. Canva has a very plentiful audio library. You'll find so many different audio for free and stuff like that. You can type in what works for you, sad music, happy music, whatever, and drag and drop it in, and obviously apply the filters that are relevant to you. I'm just going to stick with this ukulele music here. Let's go back to our editing space. This is kind of big, so I'm going to make everything a little bit smaller. And I see I have my files here. So let us kind of, I'm going to drag my playhead up all the way to the top here. Okay. So I'm just something here. Hey, welcome to my tutorial. Welcome. Make sure you. Wow, how cool is that? As you notice, my music is too loud. Fret not. You can go into volume and lower it. Now let's hear how that sounds. Hey, welcome to my tutorial. Welcome. Not too bad. I'm just gonna make it a little bit lower, a little bit softer here, just for the sake. Don't want your music to overpower your voice. Tutorial. Welcome. Make sure you leave a comment, like, blah blah blah. How cool is that? Now I'm gonna try to adjust the volume on my voice recorder. The thing is, if you make your voice recording in Canva, it's gonna be kind of difficult to actually make it much louder. So that's why I advise to speak as loud as possible.
Need more access to more elements, audio, features? You can try out Canva Pro free for 30 days. Link is in the description.
Let's kind of get into the nitty-gritty of using the timeline. So if you want to split your clip, you can choose the clip you want, right click, and then split page. So we just split that in two there. With the clip split, you can move it around. You can feel free to move it around, whether to wherever you want. I'm just dragging mine all over the place here. I'm seeing that. And you can also add transitions. So add transitions to make it like cooler, right? You can make it move up and down. These are some of the options I have here. That looks super cool. Let's head back to our timeline. I want to preview it so you can see what I'm talking about here.
So I'm just like, blah, blah, blah. You can always pause recording and add notes so that if you don't remember
that transition, how cool is that? So always feel free to add the transitions, do whatever you want. You have a lot of options here. With splitting your clip, you can also choose the letter S on your keyboard, and that will easily split your clip as well. You can also select your clip, right click. You can delete it. You can add a page. You can change the transition. You can add notes. So these were the notes I took previously from recording inside Canva itself. You can add whatever notes really suit you there.
tutorial.
One last thing with the audio, you can also add a fade in, fade out. So if you want, especially the music to fade in, fade out, you can do just that. So I'm gonna fade in, fade out, and this is for the how long you want it to fade in for and how long you want it to fade out for. So I'm gonna kind of show you that right there.
So I'm just coming up with something here. Hey, welcome to my cooking tutorial. Welcome. Make sure you
Hearing it fade out.
and have that as a guide.
How cool is that?
Hey, make sure you check out our next Canva tutorial.